What's up guys, welcome back once again to Data Reviews Tech. Today I'm going to be checking out a brand new power supply from Be Quiet. This is the powerzone 2, 850 watt version I've got. It also comes in 750 and 1000, maybe more, I'm not sure. I'll link in the description below for you to have a look at obviously the other available options. But I've got the 850 watt, so all we're going to do today is quickly go over the specs and basically talk about it, have a quick look at it, and obviously what cables and stuff you get with it. I have unboxed this before because I had a failed video with sound issues, so you'll notice it's all unwrapped already, but not an issue. I'll take you through it, see what you get, and then we'll just, like I say, wrap the video up at the end. Now this is a platinum power supply and it's PCIe 5.1 ready, like I say. And then let's just show you the specs there. If you need to see them, they're there. Hopefully you can see those. But I won't bore you with that stuff. If you need to see that, that stuff is on their website for you to have a look at. If you need to know extra stuff, like in terms of voltage and stuff like that, that's all on their website. So let's quickly unbox this and show you through it. So here we have powerzone 2 850 watt, sort of the middle of the road one. And like I say, this is a PCIe 5.1 ready power supply. Open that up. Let's take a quick look at the power supply itself. So this is the powerzone 2 power supply. As you can see, it's got the label on there. It comes with silent winks fans installed. I believe it's 140mm by the looks of things, so it should be nice and quiet in operation. Onto the back there, we've obviously got your standard power supply input and the on-off switch, which is pretty much standard. There is no eco mode on this one, which turns the fan off when it's not being used really, or not needed, but not really an issue. It's going to be pretty silent anyway. Most power supplies these days aren't really that loud anyway. And again, there's those specs on the side there for you if you need to know. And on the other side, we've got the Be Quiet logo, which is upside down. So there's a Be Quiet logo. And then on the back, let's quickly talk through the connections you get. Starting from this side, PCIe 5.1 up to 600 watt through the single cable for your NVIDIA graphics cards. 2 PCIe connections, P8, drives, another P8 down the bottom here, and then we've got a motherboard, 24 pin and things like that there. So pretty much standard, everything you need. Let's go on to the cables you get, just have a quick look through. So they are pretty much all of the sort of flat ribbon-y type, 24 pin ATX power cable, nothing new there. We move on to this one. This is one of the P8 cables, so it can be used for your CPU, as you see labelled there, so 8-pin CPU cable for EPS. Then we have one VGA cable with a single connector on it, 8-pin. Moving on, we have a, let me just split those up. Moving on, we have a drive cable which has 3 SATA connections on it and 1 Molex connection if you still need to use those. That's got that covered. And then we have another SATA cable which has 4 SATA connections on it for your drives, so plenty of drives compatible with this. Then we've got the last VGA cable, which although it looks like it's pigtailed, it's not. It is 2 cables, but they just connect to one pin, as Be Quiet have done with their power supplies. So you've got another VGA cable there, so you can run a graphics card that takes 3 8-pins if needs be. And then last but by no means least is the PCIe 5.1 cable, which is up to 600 watt. Hopefully you can see that. 600 watt there, and the great thing about this is it comes with an angled adapter for the graphics card side, so there should be no strain on this cable, and obviously helps with clearance in cases for those really big graphics cards. So really good to see. That's the only cable that's not a ribbon type. It's a really chunky sort of sleeved one, braided sleeve one. So obviously it's taking a lot of power through that. Probably needs to be like that. So that's it. That's a rundown of the cables and everything you get. Obviously, you get the standard wall socket power supply cable in there as well, which is normal, and they all come wrapped in these Velcro ties. But yeah, that's pretty much everything you get in this. Like I said, I just wanted to give you a quick overview of this video, overview of this power supply. And then we have it. That's the powerzone 2. Like I said, really quick video just to show you this new power supply from Be Quiet, as I wanted to give them a good show first. And this will be used in a upcoming build soon, so stick around for that. I'm going to be doing a new Be Quiet case as well, which I will be doing the video for very soon as well. So stick around for that if you're interested. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you a bit of insight into this power supply. If you need any more information, please don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section below, or follow links in the description, and I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.